we are discussing BMCP chapter. So today we will try to discuss doors, components, and types. So video. Yeah. This is today's objectives. So different types of doors and component parts of the doors and some special types of doors we'll discuss in this video. Actually, why do we need doors? So doors needs to give an access to the inside of the room and exit from the room and make the partitions and security purpose also we can lock it, right? So where the doors are generally located. So generally located in every room and it should be at the corner, not to occupy more space of the wall. Uh, in the opposite walls of rooms, opposite to another door or a window, right? So let us see a small video regarding doors.
Doors and windows are important elements of a house from security, functional, and aesthetic considerations. There are different varieties of materials used for making doors and windows, like wood, metal, PVC, and concrete, etc. Traditionally, the frames for doors and windows are made in wood. The main elements of doors and windows are frame, shutter, and fittings. The frames are to be securely fixed to the masonry walls in their intended position. The procedure generally adopted for fixing the door and window frames is displayed in this video. The sides of the frames which come in contact with masonry are painted with wood color. The frame is then placed in proper position to correct level by driving the wedges and is aligned vertically using plumb ball. Three bolt fasts are provided in the vertical members of the door frame, spaced equally. They are in Z shape projecting outwards into the masonry wall and embedded in the masonry with concrete around it. In case of regular windows, normally two bolt fasts are used. The gaps on the sides and the bottom of the frame are filled with relief concrete. Check the door and window frames for their verticality and level. Use three bolt fasts for door and two for window frames on each side. Ensure that they are firmly embedded into the masonry. Apply wood fiber on the sides of the frame, which will come in contact with masonry. Paint or polish the frames to enhance the appearance.
This is a short description about doors. And what are the materials used for doors? Wooden doors, glass doors, plywood doors, metal doors, concrete doors, and the polyvinyl chloride doors. Door. A door is a panel or barrier usually hinged or sliding or electronic that is used to cover an opening in the wall or partition going into the building or space. Door can be opened to give access and closed more or less securely. It allows passage between the inside and outside and between internal rooms when open. They admit ventilation and light also. These are the, can you name the parts of a door? These are the different components of a door. Like this is a head. Yeah, this is a head. This is a handle activated multi-point locking system, insulated glass, lock style, hardware, weather stripping. This is a sill, bottom rail, top rail, hinges, hinge style, and jump. These are the some different fixtures, hardwares. These are the component parts of a doors. So this is also a figure which shows the component parts of a door. So what is the purpose of a door? So for free movement, people and material in and out of a room in a building. Common types of doors: paneled doors, flush doors, glazed doors, and these are the some different types of doors. Let us see all videos together. Let us open all videos together and watch one by one, which can give more idea about doors and windows. Because it is online class, so we cannot show directly. So this will give more idea about different types of doors. There are three partitions, three parts available. Total 12 types of doors are there. So explaining each and one very quickly, so we can have a look of this video. So this is about some five types of doors. Let us see a good video.
And late or start. So thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. For more updates, subscribe my channel and then hit the bell. Hello friends, thanks for clicking and welcome to my channel for Studio. In this video, we will discuss about character growth. Depending upon the type of materials, arrangement of different components, method of construction, etc., the common character growth is independent and as personally, laziness, capability, need and laziness, normally, need and laziness, totally, need and laziness, frequently, train and character, expertise, need or character, capability, laziness, experience, character, management, character, studios, patience, reactions, development, relationships, welfare, strategies, and lastly, skills. But in this video, we will discuss this only those four types of growth. Let's start. First type of growth is wage growth. As shown in this image, the wage growth is form of the vertical growth known as balance. This is external representation known as labor. So in this image, we can see all these vertical growths are known as buttons, and these buttons are secured by these horizontal support. And these horizontal supports are known as labels. So this label has without personally, topic, capability, leadership, and button. As you know, the vertical rows are known as button rows. These buttons are built into necessary nodes and they be able to proceed in a space. Horizontal supports which are known as labels. So these labels are usually 100 mm to 200 mm wide and 40 mm thick. As you know that the three layers are connected in
Can we close this window? Advertisement is coming. Some advertisement is coming. How to skip this ad? So it is explained clearly the various types of doors, and size of the door depends upon the rooms for which it is to be fixed, and type of building and utility of the room. Principles of locating doors, very important for examination point of view. The minimum number of doors for security and economy purpose should be provided, and the locate doors should be located near the corners of the building, so that corners of the room, so that it can occupy less room space, and it should give proper ventilation also. Least interference with the interior decoration should be given, and facing each other on opposite walls for having good wind movement should be provided, and should not be located at the center of the length of wall. Okay, and no dark corner is left in the room. Classification of panel doors, based on the number of shutters, single shutter door, double shutter doors. The what is the size of the door? The size of the door is such that it allows freely the movement of largest object likely to be used or entered into the room. The minimum width of the door should be for public buildings 1.2 meters. For external doors 1 meter, internal doors zero point 0.9 meter width should be there. For bathrooms 0.9 meter width of the door should be used. And generally height of the door is 2 meters. And principles of locating windows. So sill level of a window located at a height of 80 centimeter above the floor level. Generally windows are provided the top level of the window level and top level of the door level is in matching line. So in these interference with interior decoration should be taken. Functional requirements, distribution of light, control of ventilation, privacy, architectural treatments are provided, and the component parts of a door side windows, frame, shutter, sash, mullion, transom, horn, hold fast, jam, and a rivet. These are the different component parts. So definition of different component parts can be taken as like this. Uh, if time permits, I can play another video also. So time not permit. So let us see. What is the head? So head is the main horizontal member of the forming the top of the window or door frame. Uh, and the main jamb is a vertical member forming the sides of a window or door frame. So head is horizontal member of a top horizontal member of a door or window frame, and the vertical members are called as jamb. Frame, the enclosure in which window shafts or door panels are mounted. Glazing means a glass in a window or door, the act or process of fitting with glass. Pane, pan means a panel, the framed sheet of glass within a window. Shafts means a single assembly of stiles and rails made into a frame for holding glass. Sill means main horizontal member forming the bottom of the frame of a window or door. It is called cell. Mountain bar means a small bar dividing window glass. It is called mountain bar. The frame means combination of horizontal and vertical members. The top horizontal member is called head, bottom horizontal member is called as cell. The two vertical members are called as jambs. Door frame, window frame, if you take the two vertical members are called jambs. Here also same. The top horizontal member is called head, bottom top horizontal member is called head. Here also same. Here cell and same. Shutter means made of built up panels, or by fixing panels in a frame of stiles and rails. Parts of shutters, the stiles, rails, panels. The vertical members are called stiles. The horizontal members top rail, bottom rail, middle rail, and in between the rails it is called as the panels. Stile means external vertical member of the shutter. Rail means horizontal boards at the top, bottom, and optionally in the middle of a door that join the two stiles and split the door into two or more rows of panels. And the top rail and bottom rail are named for their positions. The bottom rail is also known as kick rail. The middle rail also known as lock rail. Other middle rails commonly known as cross rails. Panels. The large wider boards used to fill the space between the styles, rails, and mullions are called panels. The panels typically fit into grooves in the other pieces and help to keep the door grid. Panels may be flat or in raised panel designs. Shas, frame made for light section for fixing the glass in the panels are horizontal and vertical members. Mullion means smaller optional vertical board that run between two rails and split the door into two or more columns of panels. The term is used sometimes for vertical doors. Transom means horizontal member divides the door or window frame into two panels. Horizontal member. Lowers means to prevent vision without affecting ventilation in inclined parts. Horns means the horizontal projection of head or sill beyond the face of the door or window frame, 150 long or tightly secured the frame into the masonry. Holdpass are metal steel straps, generally for windows minimum one, for doors minimum three, it can be provided. So 6 thick and 30 wide, 250 to 300 length, provided on both sides of the vertical door or window frames to secure the frame tightly into the masonry. Jump means the vertical posts that are form the sides of a door frame where the hinges are mounted and with which the bolt interacts. Rebate, the depression cut in the frame to receive the door. Designation of doors and windows and ventilators. So these are the some standards. One mold is equal to 100 Height is also mold. D means notations. D means door. W means window. V means ventilator. S means single shutter. T means double shutter. P means two panels. R means three panels. Q means four panels. These are the some examples also. Sure. These are the different panel doors. Different types of doors. I'll explain clearly in video. These are the different code of practices for doors and windows. Okay, this is what we discussed. This is one module is equal to 100 Style means vertical members. R projection for head. Some tension joints. These are the frequently questions which are posted from this chapter. This is the end of the class. The frequently asked questions like this: state any three principles of locating doors, state the principles of locating windows, name the component parts of a door and window frame by drawing the neat sketch, describe the neat sketch, the panel door and its uses, mention three types of common and special types of doors, what place generally recommended fully glazed doors, and draw the neat sketch of a fully glazed doors and name the points. These are the different questions which can be occurred from this lesson. Okay, thank you.